In this video, I'll show you how to record your screen while also having your camera video displayed on the screen in Zoom. This method is perfect for presentations or anything you want to upload to YouTube. And today, we'll be using Zoom. If the video helps, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started. First, open Zoom and start a personal meeting. This will be a meeting with just yourself. Join with computer audio and turn on your camera so your face appears on the screen. Then click Start. Next, share your screen. Select the desktop or specific window you want to record. I'll choose Google Slides and click Share. Now your screen is shared and you can begin your presentation. Your camera feed will appear on the screen and you can move your video box anywhere you like. Move your cursor to the top to pull down the Zoom toolbar. Click the three dots labeled More and select Record.
Recording in progress.
Now, your screen with your webcam is being recorded. Show whatever you want to show. You can also switch to another window while you record your screen. Once your presentation is finished, hover at the top again to bring down the toolbar. Click More and select Pause or Stop Recording. If you paused your recording, you can resume it from there.
Recording in progress.
Or just select Stop Recording.
Recording stopped.
Once you're done, stop sharing your screen and end the meeting for all. Zoom will automatically convert your meeting recording into an MP4 file. This may take a few minutes depending on the length of the recording. After that, your video file will appear, ready to use. You can play your video from here, but if you're a free user, Zoom will generate the video and audio separately, so you'll need to join them together in a free video editor like CapCut or any other editor. Just put the video and audio on the timeline and export it. If you're a paid Zoom user, then you will find your complete video in the Hub tab. Here you can find your cloud recordings as well as your computer recordings, as you can see here. And that's it. It's a simple way to record your screen and camera at the same time with Zoom. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.